cauliflower.
Yeah, I know, but it's weird because you say cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
You make cauliflower pakoras.
First time you make cauliflower pakoras.
Cauliflower Pakoras! The tandoori rub.
We're going to dissect the cranial lobes from this root vegetable that isn't even a root vegetable.
Go and say root vegetable.
Root vegetable.
You can say root vegetable. We have some florets that we're going to make into pakoda sized chunks. For making the batter, I'm going to crack an egg, remove the yolk, and that'll make the batter soggy. Anybody seen my whip? Put the egg white. What making?
I can't do it.
Tandoori seasoning. One cup, 2 cups of besan flour or gram flour. Play with 100ml of water, and we're just going to fold it, try and fold it in without destroying the egg. If you overwork it, the air will come out of the egg white and it won't be quite as crunchy. So we're looking for a consistency of thick paint. It's a little bit too thick. So we just want it to be a relatively runny consistency, but you still want it to be able to adhere to the pakoras or the cauliflower. That's about right. Quite runny, but still thick enough, like thick paint. Put our oil in the wok. Cauliflower, 10 bits at a time, all gets coated. So we get the oil about 165, 170, and we can start cooking. You're going to use a pair of tongs to make sure the cauliflower is coated in the batter, and it shouldn't drip off too much. So you're just going to hold it in the oil for a few seconds so that the bottom of it firms up and then it won't stick to the bottom of the wok. By cooking it like 160, 170, they don't need to pre-cook the cauliflower. It will cook in the batter, firm to soft texture when it comes out. Delicious! We'll just prep some garnish. We'll just do some coriander, red pepper, looking for that golden colour, kind of done on that side.
Pakora!
We're just going to make them into Lunchables. Pakoras in there. We're going to give them garnish something to stick to, so I've got a little bit of roasted garlic mayo. We're just going to crispy onions, bell pepper, a touch of coriander, voodoo mango sauce. Tandoori cauliflower pakoras dressed with voodoo mango hot sauce.